How to get karma on Reddit and fast. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get karma on Reddit and fast. And let's get started. So for people who do not know what karma is, this is a Reddit post to help you guys know about that. So karma is basically like your reputation on Reddit. You can just gain karma by, interacting with other people, and there are basically four types of karma as it is mentioned here: post, comment, community, and combined. So these are basically how you can actually get your karma. So first is by you can just post on karma. You can get this by getting upvotes on your post. The other is by comment. You can get this by people upvoting your comment. And your community karma is gained by your upvotes from your posts, comments, and combined overall whatever happens in that very community. And the other is combined. This is your post karma, comment karma, and community comment karma, everything added up to one. So these are the basic types of karma. And this is also how you get the karma. So what you'll have to do is you'll actually have to start making posts on Reddit. You'll start to interact with people, engage in discussions, and try to get the upvotes on your Reddit posts. And that is the basically only way you can get karma on Reddit and fast. That Yeah, and that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.